Alright, big side, welcome to BMT. I've got bone to pick with you, yeah? I believe you, I believe you. What up? Where's your record at, my G?
Japanese. Where are you, big side?
Big Musa builds. Cameraman today, go on.
Seven. Hello.
What are you doing, bro? The other way, bro. Go on, give us the interview.
Interview.
What's your name?
Interview me.
Okay, Miru. You've been interviewed. So how does it feel, Miru? Going 86 at 170 miles per hour, how was it?
Feels great.
Did it feel great? Does every car feel slow to you now?
No, they still feel fast.
Which car feels fast to you?
My FNT.
Yeah, FNT. Your FNT stock. What car do you want in the future? You want the box shape?
And the N.
You want the NA and the box shape?
And the Civic. Over there.
Why are you gonna open a scrapyard? Say you want these cars.
Weight reduction?
I don't know. Look.
What the?
So what is this? Just dropped half a kg.
Ew, what are you doing? The cars are bounce. I feel the king of driving Teggies.
He'll have to paint the car anyway. He doesn't.
Where are you, big side?
How you doing, Musa? What are you doing? What's going on? Have you found out what's going on today?
Yes.
Have you asked your dad what's he doing with the engine?
What's going on to the
We are trying to fix an engine today, mate.
This is Japanese. Japanese. Oh, I love that toys because the toys for you. Oh, that's Biggie. I knew that. The Biggie. EP.
So what car is this?
EP3.
EP3. Fast or slow?
A little bit fast.
Just a little bit fast. How can it be faster? I think you should sell it, buy an S2000.
No.
Why? Whose car is this?
Haddy.
Haddy's car. Why is it here?
They're gonna get fixed again.
You're gonna fix it. Engine, 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 engine. Just putting in a unit.
Oh shit!
It's my old number plate on the S2000.
Don't you run it anymore?
No, it's gone back to DVLA.
Oh shit!
I got rid of it.
Use it.
Nah. Who's VTEC? Your VTEC chap.
Oh okay. You want me to put it in my unit?
If you don't mind.
Alright, big side, welcome to BMT. I've got bone to pick with you, yeah? He was at my brother's garage that day and he said you were at a proper garage. You're taking the piss, yeah?
No, we're doing it properly is what I said.
No, properly?
We laid it out nice, beautiful.
Laying it down. Did you call this laying down?
You know what I mean? Everything.
The building.
I'm outside. Now what? Everything was laid out.
That's how
You know.
he done that on purpose. So watch
I left it in. I left it in. Yeah, you know,
BMT ain't got no shit on it.
you know there's some more you'd have to crop out.
I'm not like BMT. I don't use a gun.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Where's your record at, my G? With your Duracell battery car.
I did use a gun in the end.
I know you.
So this is the box shaped engine. We'll be going in tonight. Poo-poo car. It's the breadwinner car.
So this is the head that I'm trying to get him to buy.
What is it?
This is the Optim, £110, springs rated. They're good to rev to about 11 grand. But you don't need to rev to 11k. But this is just a air put together to go on the hiccup engine.
Joel, the I-Pace is that way.
You can have checkbook,
Checkbook, I don't have a
I
checkbook.
pay my delivery guy as well. So the heads are literally only £150, but the delivery charge is 2 grand. So he gets paid, I get paid.
Yo, this is a new car with a big engine, rapid, I got motorbike.
Jubbly.
Jam, one quick request. To see if the S2000 filter fits on. I told AJ goes ask you. The S2000 filter.
1 minute, but just to let you know, they do fit.
Yeah, but
The engine that's on that car by an S2000.
you can put
But I
one
don't
on.
really want to take that because then I'm going to damage that one.
No problem. That's
Unless you got your big hands to take it off.
Nope. AJ, make your car into the 9s. You need an S2000 oil filter.
So look, we're going again. Like we said in the old video. Stop block. Put a little spicy head. Not a spicy head, just a K20 head on there. Just to see how it's going to put it down. We broke the head on the last one. The 2.4 head, so we took it off. We could have put a 2.4 head on if we wanted to, couldn't we?
Yep.
We took it off that day, didn't we?
We did.
The guys wanted to put a 20 head on. So let's see.
They want you to be fast.
Yes, I. Well, I've got the doctor in the room. You can hear the doctor in the room. He's not allowed. He's got in the room.
You don't want to be on cam though.
Yeah.
Don't want to be on
Camera's
cam.
not allowed. You can hear the doctor in the background. Whatever the doctor says goes around here right now. You get me? He's a big brother around here. Just into the world. You get me? Listen. See, when you got that around you, inspiration from all the islands. Yes, sir.
Slowly, yeah? Okay, hold him. Got him.
It's a full race team. Do you know what you're doing? It looks familiar, isn't it? EF. Goof, you want to call anybody out? NA Kings. Oh no. Next month.
Oh, yeah, King's doing his research on my car, you know, because he knows I'm gonna lash him. You get me? King, where you want it? Up pod or the streets? Streets, yeah? Yo,
You heard it here.
he's gonna do me on launch. What road? Nah, I'm gonna do him on both. Really?
You said I look like duck last time.
You do look like duck with the gloves on. Let's
No,
see.
I know. No.
Where can people buy them?
No way.
Oh,
Exclusive.
limited editions. Fag and a Red Bull.
He's the one.
No, it's not, chav.
It's not.
Fags are no good for
Water.
you. Water and
All the way. Water
Whoa.
and a vape.
What?
Fag and Red Bull, water and vape.
AJ's here. It's a Fiji and Weetabix.
Back and tango.
In a can.
Can you hear that, Miru?
Is it a bird? Is it plane?
Yo, we see.
Yeah, push it up. Roll it around. Yes, up. Now, I heard it click.
How should we draw on the short straw? Brother, I ain't fitting through that.
But I'm scared of spiders, you know.
Are you actually?
Yeah, actually.
One silver bumper.
Silver wing.
2 silver wings. So oh, that's not a goose chase. Everything's here.
That's a wing.
There you go, Pash. Take
One
that.
wing.
Bumpers here.
The bumper.
Yeah, found it.
Damn it. What can I give it to the job? Is it? I've got both in.
Yeah. Go on, Pash.
Going back on the little silver car. Mini surfer.
So what's happening with the mini surfer stuff
That
then?
front end is going on. Dun, dun,
Okay, the
dun.
secret car. Progress. Jeremy, your production line's gone.
What production line?
There's about 60,000 people here.
It's nice. Yeah, but they're a bit too loud. I don't know. It's okay.
Makes the evening go by.
Hopefully, Chichi's car should be finished today.
Up and running.
Up and running, gunning. I gotta disappear for a minute now. I got a little dinner at my sister's. After that, straight back to work with the belly full.
Active.
No rest for the week. No rest for the week. What time you going home? Me, I'm with you, I'm with you. You got me for the full night. Yes, G. See what I'm for dinner as well? Nah, I eaten already. Nah, the game. I'm just
You know what it is? There's no Naga chili in that house. That's what. Pasha need a Naga.
I see people copying the trend right now.
Yeah. What up?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Why does my foot just break this, innit? Oh, okay.
You don't worry about it, don't worry about it.
But the-
Nah, you want it that way, like that? Yeah, that way.
Whoa.
Nice.
I
Okay,
did.
get that point. Throw that point down there. Throw that down. You don't know.
I did.
You always there next to you. Is that you? Oh no.
That's you, man. You're the only one with that old ass ringtone. We're gonna pull out a house phone.
My wife. I'm at work. Who's going shop now? Okay, see if you can find any gummies. Huh? Gummies.
Gummies, you want some gummies?
My boy Saj wants it, man.
Power.
What happened?
Power.
What are you saying? Sad? Alright, sad.
It's alright.
Your gloves are dirty, man, you know?
Oh no, they should be clean. Oh, look a bit of oil on them.
What are you saying?
When we're going back to the proper unit, man, the proper workshop,
The real shop.
the real one.
I'm going home, bro.
Oh, you liked it too? The full setup. The setup, how we're doing stuff properly.
No, man, tell him, man.
What do you mean, bro?
Yo.
Why find my broski?
My bro, you know.
Holy moly, this is one. That's enough. I just did the whole car.
Send it. Ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
I was just saying, I was moaning that but he did What, bro?
This back behind me tight in the right.
Done properly, or what?
Now we leave like that.
Leave it like that. Don't tell anyone.
We got a special message in this video. Bro.
What is it?
I'm not gonna tell you, you're gonna watch it. That's how we're gonna know if you watch these videos or not.
I do, what is it called?
Subscribe. Yes, Maji. You're laughing at Bob, we come find you. We know where your car is, we rotate here, right? We rotate the scrap yard.
Hello, come here. I get automatic. Oh. I get automatic buzz.
Watch it out and you're going to see me.
Unfortunately, I couldn't get the startup of the Batman. Jamin's still there, wrenching away. I had a couple of things to do, so I had to come home. But yeah, hopefully, Batman's up and running, and we should see you soon.